yesterday. Do you know how? It's acid.
Yeah.
It's the base. We will add some water to it. Now let's add some yellow color to the acid. Blue to the base color. B2 stir. Add acid to our flour. Are you ready for a volcano? 1, 2, 3. Wow! It's green! Yellow and blue makes green! When I mix the dough, the gas will be red. It's carbon dioxide. At home, we can do this with vinegar and baking soda. Now let's do a home experiment. Are you ready? You want to see something cool with 2 liquids? Let's take a test tube. Then add some acid to it. We'll add some oil. Can you see the oil and acid separate? Now we add some color. Can you see the color floating around? Now I'm going to add some base. Can you see it's going to the oil and creating an explosion? You see the volcano explosion like that, only the rocket works. I'll show you now. I have the vinegar liquid. Now I have the baking soda. We are going to keep it inside and close it. Now I will seal and now we are going to turn it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The way this exploded, the rocket fuel explodes and the rocket goes up. So we learned about acid and blaze makes gas.